This house here actually was on our to-be demolished list for about 3 years. We were able to procure some neighborhood stabilization money, NSP money, through community development to bring this house down as well as one down the street.
This all started when I came back from vacation and took my dog for a walk and was tired of seeing the empty houses. Well, my parents bought my house that I live in now at 237. They bought it in 1962, and there's been somebody in our family there since 1962. And nobody in the neighborhood has ever had a mouse problem. And as of late, last summer, this year, everybody is having mice problems.
The issues with this house was the roof was bad, the foundation had huge cracks in it, and there was 2 or 3 inches of water in the basement. The owner had deceased for about 3 or 4 years. No family members came forward, and the neighbors were talking about vagrants and animals. Also, the living room floors and walls had caved in on the inside as well. So we were able to procure the money to bring this house down and kind of rid the neighborhood of a nuisance property.
The house had to go. We all had mice, other little critters that were living in there. But yet, when I see this happen, I think of all the other families, all the memories that are gone now.